Good evening, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm just going to show you how I have managed to take out the cartridge converter from Toyota Yaris 2008. Step 1, run your car, make sure it's hot, run it for about 10 minutes so that all the screws will be very easy to come out. And straight after, make sure you wear some heat resistant gloves because it might get bent. Then remove the top metal plate, this one. Remove the oxygen sensor. So I didn't find my I did not find the two for the O2 sensor, so I just used this one. This is what I used, and it came out very easy. Just remove one. 3, loosen all the screws on the manifold. Just loosen them. 4, loosen the side screw. This one. 5, disconnect the cable for the oxygen sensor. Obviously you should have done this one actually. This should be step 1. Okay, I'll call it 5 for now. 6, go underneath, and you find 2 screws. You find this screw, this one. Can you see it? This one, yeah. So you find these screws. These are the ones which mount onto the exhaust to the cartridge converter. Remove them. It might require power bar like this one, so I used. It was much easier to use a power bar. Thereafter I used a ratchet. There's no need to take out this oxygen sensor, but if you're changing it, equally change. If you're going to remove this sensor, I recommend that you drive your car for 70 miles an hour for about 20 minutes, come back straight away, go underneath, remove this one. When it's cold, it's very difficult. When it's warm, it comes out. Okay, so after you've taken these 2 screws out, go down, go upstairs, up, and thereafter remove all the screws now. The exhaust mount screws, remove all of them now, completely remove them. And the side screw, so the side screws got metal bracket. Unfortunately, you have to make the other screw loose for it to move sideways. I don't know if you can see this metal plate. This one. Can you see that metal plate here? So it needs to come offside. If that screw is too tight, it will not come out. Thereafter, remove all the screws and just lift it out. To put back, that's the opposite. And for the new cartridge converter, they recommend that you use a brand new cartridge converter, but in our case, we're going to use an old one. Well, I should be using a brand new one, but I didn't buy it. So I might change it after 1 week. Yeah. So okay, guys, so this is how you do it. To put back, it's all reverse. The only headache I've got are for 2 gaskets, the new one and the old one. The old one seems to be in good condition still, and the new one seems to be okay as well. Quality-wise, this seems to be good quality. Alright guys, so this is how you do it. By all means, please follow me, subscribe. If you want to make a donation, check the link in the comments and make a donation. Thank you.